Warning: watching these Python animations may cause extreme creativity. Subscribe at your own risk and enjoy the coding journey with electro4u.net. Hit to like and subscribe now. Let's start the code. This line imports the Turtle library, which provides tools for creating graphics and animations using a virtual turtle that can move around the screen and draw shapes. This line imports the ColorSys library, which offers functions for working with colors in different color spaces. This sets the turtle's drawing speed to the fastest setting, making the animation smoother. This hides the turtle icon, keeping the focus on the drawing itself. This line sets the background color of the drawing canvas to black, creating a dramatic backdrop for the colorful artwork. Tracer 5. This adjusts the animation speed to 5, finding a balance between visual smoothness and processing speed. Width 1. This sets the line thickness to 1 pixel, resulting in a delicate and intricate pattern. IOJROS 00005. This initializes a variable h with a value of 00005, which will be used to control the color hue of the spiral. For I in range 90, this loop repeats 90 times, creating 90 segments of the spiral. Color, ColorSys.HSV to RGB H11. This sets the pen color using HSV, hue, saturation, value, color values. The HSV to RGB function from the ColorSys library converts HSV values to the RGB, red, green, blue format used for screen display. Drawing a segment of the spiral, forward 100, left 60, forward 100, right 120. Circle 50, left 240, forward 100, left 60, forward 100. The following lines create a series of turns, curves, and circles to draw a specific section of the spiral pattern. Resetting the pen and color, H plus Rs 0.05. This increments the hue variable H, gradually shifting the color of the spiral. Color, ColorSys HSV to RGB H11. This sets the pen color again using the updated hue value. Drawing another segment, forward 100, right 60, forward 100, left 120, circle 50, right 240, forward 100, right 60, forward 100. Another set of turns and curves create a mirror image of the previous segment. Left etu 2. This rotates the turtle slightly, preparing it for the next segment of the spiral. Aplux 0.03. This further increments the hue variable, continuing the color evolution. Done. This keeps the turtle window open, allowing you to view the completed spiral artwork. Hold your breath, folks. We're about to unleash a code-powered masterpiece. रुकिए दोस्तों, हम अब कोड की जादूगरी देखने वाले हैं. Don't miss out on the next animation adventure. Subscribe to Electro4U now.